Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdulmuhmin and Ali. Now, I will discuss my video presentation. It's all about the process of determining requirements. So, what is the process of determining requirements? Both business and IT perspective are needed to determine the requirements during the analysis phase. Meaning, before you before you need to create the system, you need to planning on how what is the need of your requirements of your system. A system analysis may not understand the true business need of the user. A recent study by the Standish Group found that lack of user environment is top reason for IT project failures. On the other hand, the business user may not be aware of these opportunities that a new technology may offer. It is important that the terms carefully consider the underlying the business process and how best to support the business process with information system technology. So this is the diagram of how you need to before you need to create the system. This is the requirements. The first requirements you need to in the system, you need to operational. On the operation of this description, the physical and the technical environment in which is the system will operate, and this is the purpose of operational. And the second is the performance. The performance you need to, and also you need to on the before you need to create the system, because performance it's help the speed, capacity, and reliability of the system, and also the security also, or who the description of this, who has the authorized access to the system under what circumstances. And the last is the cultural and political factors and legal requirements that affect the system. So legal of the court on the political system. So, and also the next slide, as you can see, the definition of the process of requirements. A good analogy is building a house or an apartment. We have a life in a house or apartment, and most of us have some underlying understanding of what we would like in our homes. If you were asked to design dwelling from scratch, however, it would be a challenge because we lack appropriate design skills and technical engineering skills. Likewise, an architect acting alone would probably miss some of our unique requirements. Therefore, the most effective approach is to have both business people and analysis working together to determine requirements. In fact, the analysis phase involves significant interaction with people who have an interest in a new system, often called the stakeholders. One of the first tasks for the analysis is to identify the primary source of requirement, including the project sponsor, project champions, all of the user of the system, both direct and indirect, and possibly the others. It is important that all the user perspectives are included. The analysis must have also considered how best to elicit the requirements from the stakeholders. Therefore, are a variety of the elicitation techniques that can be used to acquire information, including interviews, questionnaires, observation, joint application, or JAD, the documents analysis. We will discuss these techniques in the next section. The information gathered by these techniques is the critically analysis and use the craft requirements definition statement. So that's all. Thank you and wassalam.